Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I decided to do another Let's Play with the Nars Provocateur Palette. So this is part 2, and I think I'm gonna go more and more artistic with this palette just because it's such a punk rock inspired palette that I want to kind of, get the most out of it and kind of do it justice. So I thought, why not go all crazy, and bring the crazy looks out. So today I decided that I wanted to try, I had this idea in my mind. I don't even know if I'm able to execute it. I don't know if it's gonna come out good, but I hope it does. So I want to play with geometry, a little bit of shape, circles, rectangles, very Laurie Anderson, very sharp. And I want to wet the shadows because it does say you can use these wet or dry, so I want to see how they go on wet. I'm gonna zoom in really quickly and we'll just get right into it. So today I already have all my makeup on, concealer, brows, a super glow, and all we need is eye makeup. So I'm gonna start out with Nars Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. As you know, I like this because it has no color. And I'm just gonna go into the palette. As you can see, I have the palette right here, in case you were like, what's this palette? I'm gonna use Vinyl. So this is the lightest shade that I'm gonna use as a base. Anger. And I like laying down an all over shade just for blending, so it makes the blending easier in case I want to do gradients, So I'm gonna be using Endless Party, which is the red-ish shade, and that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna use that shade. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of water and spray it onto my Shade and Light brush from Kat Von D. It has this pointy pencil tip so I can draw lines. And I gotta figure out where the top of my lid is. And I'm just gonna draw a straight line. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm actually surprised that I'm able to do this. They weren't kidding when they said you could apply this wet or dry. This thing applies like a Sharpie. Okay, let's do the other side. So if you guys have noticed, my eyes are very uneven. This one closes a little bit more than this one. So whenever I'm doing the final look for you guys, I always have to go I'm actually raising this brow a little bit upward so that they can be somewhat even. It's a struggle, but motherfucker. Okay, and I'm gonna bring the geometry down here, and we're gonna do a little triangle. Okay, so as you can see, super geometric, not a lot of blending. And I guess this is a good time to do this type of look because it's almost Halloween. And if you need some Halloween techniques, here you go. Okay, now I'm gonna be using the white concealer to carve out a circle. I guess that's it. Now I'm gonna fill it in with vinyl again. I'm gonna use my corner eye brush from Laura and gonna wet it, see if it does anything. Okay, and now I'm gonna add some eyeliner. Okay, now I'm gonna give my lashes a good curl and put a little mascara. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, I changed the look a little bit. So I took the triangles out of the bottom and I made the executive decision to make it a little bit more angular, more geometrical, and I made the liner a little thicker. Hopefully you guys can forgive me because I didn't get that on camera. You know, it was just a spur of the moment thing, and it's okay. I think it's okay. Sometimes we work on a look and we want it to be perfect, but sometimes the perfection comes from taking stuff out and paying more attention to other things. How it looked like with the triangles was fine, but it was a little too Halloween-y for me, and I really wanted a nice editorial look, so that's why I had to make the change. Hope you guys enjoyed part 2, and if you guys have any questions, you can put them in the comment section down below. I hope you guys are excited for part 3. I'm gonna go even more dramatic, and it's gonna be a little bit more smoky, so I think it'll be a little bit more wearable, but way more punk rock. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you guys on the next video.